Now, Bombay High Court rejects the prayer of emergency makers to direct CBFC to issue certification. Emergency Makers, the film made by Kangana Ranaut, she's acted in it. Makers of it now moving the High Court for a censor not to be given out at the earliest, because we know that the movie has been stalled, the release of which after some Sikh groups asked for a ban on this film, claiming it hurts religious sentiments, that it shows Sikhs in bad light. Now, the movie Emergency's makers have appealed before the court, asking for a censor certificate at the earliest. Emergency was slated to release on 6th of September. Sikh groups had opposed it, alleging incorrect portrayal of the Sikh community. And now you have the makers of the film asking for a censorship certificate at the earliest. Vidya, our correspondent, joining us live from Mumbai. Vidya, please elaborate for us on the makers of Emergency film. That also includes Kangana Ranaut. We believe that it's been made under her production house. They ask for a censor certification to be given at the earliest. When was the movie due to release, and is there any sign on it of its release? Any word on when it could release?
Well, it's for sure that the release is not happening this Friday. Remember, there is a film certificate that is really needed for a display in a theatre. But because the certificate has not been handed over, the physical certificate has not been handed over to the makers of the film, that's one of the reasons why this film cannot be released. In fact, the court here in the Bombay High Court, the bench of Chief Justice Justice Kulabawala and Justice Firdaus Puniwala was with the petitioners, with the filmmakers, saying that you have a right, you should have got the certificate, but because of a Madhya Pradesh High Court order which had been passed just yesterday. Remember, in the Madhya Pradesh High Court order, there were some groups from Jabalpur, the Sikh groups, which had approached the Madhya Pradesh High Court against the film. And in that hearing yesterday, the union had made a submission that the certificate has not been given, which was not really true, because the certificate in essence had already been digitally given to the filmmakers. Kangana Ranaut's production house had actually received an email, a copy of the certificate digitally, but it was not given physically, for the simple reason that it was to be taken by them, in a physical copy had to be taken. However, because that entire order was contrary to what the bench here was holding, and the court said that it will not be judiciary right to go ahead with an order directing CBFC to give the certificate, when a Madhya Pradesh High Court had said that you need to consider, because the CBFC certificate, remember, according to Madhya Pradesh High Court, had not been released. So the High Court there had directed the CBFC to consider the Jabalpur group's representation and then pass an order giving the certificate. So, while the Madhya Pradesh High Court had stated that the certificate is not given, while the High Court here would have said that issue the certificate, this was not judicially right, is what the bench here held, and thus said that since the film is anyway getting delayed, let it go to September 18 or so. And by then, the CBFC has to decide, after considering all the representations of the Sikh community, and then decide accordingly. But as of today, yes, the position is that there was a certificate that had been issued, which the court in Bombay High Court held that the certificate was ready. It had been issued after proper cuts and modifications had been done already by the filmmakers.
Thanks very much, Vidya, for joining us online.